Thank you for checking out our videos at modularframing.com. We're getting ready for the upcoming AHR Expo, and we're going to be assembling 4 display towers that'll be placed in the corners of our island booth using different framing systems. I thought this would be a great opportunity to make a series of videos showing you guys the assembly of each framing system that we use to make our towers. For this module, we're using our 130-25 stopper system. We've got our ABP 330-25 corner joints with hardware, PVP 130-25 perimeter profile, PVP 331-25 Omega intermediate support, and GBP 240-25 Omega joints. That completes the assembly of our module using our 130-25 stopper system. Be sure to see the other videos in this series to see how our other systems are assembled and used in building the towers. Feel free to contact us at any time for information on this system or any of our other products, and be sure to stop by and visit us at the AHR Expo.